Everybody else's car, windows all smashed in. This is the least of it though. My car, nothing. Unbelievable. Everybody else's car, totally smashed. Boss's car, all windows gone. I was over here on the other side, and then I was looking at the clouds over there, and suddenly a whole building came over top of that building and landed, and still landed. It just kept going. And I hid behind one of these deals with somebody else, and it blew by, but it was on the other side. Here's one of our windows completely smashed out. And a quick peek inside to one of our classrooms. Glad we weren't in this classroom. Nobody was. Come around to the front. All the cars in the front are smashed. Everybody's freaking out, as you hear. Pieces of building here, in between the cars.
Oh, thank you again. I'm like,
that was us? Yeah. We went through a tornado, dude, together outside. That was fucked.
that wasn't a tornado. That was a microburst.
Whatever that was, it was fucked. It tore this car's bumper off. Windows gone. Windows. It blew this car over on top of the grassy area. Believe me, that wasn't parked there before. The cops are on their way now, I suppose. It's been a good 20 minutes since it happened though. You'd think we had plenty of people bleeding and screaming in the building. Well, they were. We fixed that a little bit. That's why I'm outside now. Unbelievable.